Okay, so Lori, go under on the Zoom screen where it says audio. Down in the left-hand corner, it should say audio. Okay, click on the little arrow right next to that. There's an up arrow, and that'll make sure that it's the echo canceling speakerphone is selected, which is like the fourth option down, and your speakers under select a speaker are on or checked. Okay, can you guys hear Lori?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now we got you.
And
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Thanks,
Okay.
Tyler.
Perfect.
You get to charge double today because you helped out Wiota. All right, I'll let you go, Lori.
All right. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. All right. So Lori, you're with the utility, is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. And the other connection, I'll just leave it as it is. I guess that person's not going to be speaking as far as we know. And so are you connected through the telephone? Did you just call in?
You're talking to me. I'm on Zoom.
Okay, so someone else is connected by phone. Okay, well, just so you know, for the person connected by phone, you'll need to press *6 to unmute if you wish to speak. I think we have everyone we're expecting, so it's possible that you're a member of the public, and we will be taking public comments at the end of the hearing, so feel free to listen in until then. Otherwise, everything looks like it's working now, so let's get started before something goes wrong. Yeah, I've had quite a bit of experience with Zoom nowadays, so we hope we can get through this before the next problem. So anyway, this is Docket 66 WR103, the application of Wiota Sanitary District Number 1 for authority to adjust water rates. My name is Michael Newmark, the Administrative Law Judge for the Public Service Commission. We're here with the Utility Commission staff and members of the public, and well, possibly members of the public. And we're here to create the record in the case. That'll be the documents we identify and verify under oath as exhibits, as well as comments we collect live from the Utility Commission staff and those members of the public that wish to speak before we adjourn. We're also collecting written comments from the public. We have a deadline of Monday, April 21st to receive those. They can be filed through the commission's website or mailed to us by U.S. mail. And the details on how to do that are posted on our notice of hearing. And they're also being displayed on the screen share here. They'll be part of our YouTube live stream and part of the recording that we have on YouTube. So the record will consist of those documents and the recording. We'll forward those to the decision maker. And in this case, it's Andy Galvin, the administrator for the Division of Water Utility Regulation and Analysis. The administrator will review the record and make a decision, and then a written order will issue. It'll be emailed to the utility and posted on the commission's website. So that's the basic process. We can move forward then with checking in the documents here, and I'm going to share on my screen list of documents I've received from commission staff. And we have 13 utility documents, one being the public notice, the rest being the more technical documents in the case. So let's start with the public notice first. Who do we have from the utility that can verify that document for us?
That would be me.
Okay.
Lori.
Great. So let me swear you in first. So raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right. Just give us your name and title, please.
Lori Munson, clerk for the Wiota Sanitary District.
Okay. So you're on the Zoom connection here. Can you see the screen share?
Yes.
All right. So that first document, public hearing notice, are you familiar with that?
I haven't clicked in it.
I can click it for you, and you can all see it. There we go. So this is document, I think the utility is filed. And just displays the notice, and it also, oh, it's got the rate sheet on there.
I included the fire protection and the water rate that most customers
Mhm.
use. So
Okay. And so just let me know, how was the notice provided to customers?
it was posted in the 3 places that was required, and I also mailed it to all the properties in the tax roll that are in here. So, like, I don't know, 45 or 50 customers.
Okay, great, thanks.
I did also post it on the Lafayette County website, which people could have found the full
Mhm.
the full rate case.
Okay, that works. That satisfies what I'm looking for. So thanks for that.
Mhm. Yep.
Okay, so for the other documents, more technical in nature, would you be able to verify those, or should we have someone else do that?
Which other documents?
Oh, this list of documents here. So the application and the data request responses, that kind of thing. Were you involved in creating those, or is that, so should we
I
have?
did not create
Oh,
those. No.
so we'll probably have Travis verify those. Okay, so before I let you go, then, did you have any comments, Lori, about the case? Anything you wanted to share?
I'm concerned about the rate of return at 6.2%. We are very, very small. We have
Mhm.
like 50 customers. Our biggest contributor is the cheese factory, and I don't know if they've contacted you. They use like 2 or 3 million gallons per quarter. So even with the rate of return and their rates over the 50,000 used, that's going to be huge. Fire protection, I see, went down a little bit. I don't think that's enough to make a huge difference on either way, but it's just a lot for our little community. I know we have to have the water, and if we didn't have the cheese factory and some of the bigger customers, we wouldn't need another well. But so if we could get that to come down, maybe make our quarterly payments a little less.
Okay.
I
Okay.
understand we haven't had a increase for 25 plus years. I
Mhm.
get that.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
I'm okay with some increase, but maybe a
If I
little.
may, Michael, this is Bart at Delta 3 Engineering.
Oh, wait, just a sec. Just want to make sure. So, Lori, you're all done with your comment?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So go ahead. So I'm not sure who we got on the line here. If you could just identify yourself, please.
Bart Nice, owner of Delta 3 Engineering and the
Okay.
Sanitary District's engineer.
Okay, great. Thanks. Go ahead. Well, let me swear you in first, and then you can give your comments. So raise your right hand. Swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
All right. Yeah, go ahead.
Just wanted to add to Lori's comments. They realize they need to raise the rates and etc. But a large portion of the revenues comes from one uh, customer, and that's the creamery. And what we're concerned about is that the rates become too high, which is obviously anyone's opinion on what's the definition of too high, but that they increase to the point where they drive that business out of town. And if they do, I mean, I don't know the exact percentage, but it's probably at least 50% of the water usage of the entire sanitary district. So one of the things that, besides the 6% rate of return, we don't expect that it should be a 0% rate of return, because obviously once we raise the rates or the rates get raised, uh, the sanitary district needs to stay mildly profitable, for years to come. So we realize that there should be some rate of return, but maybe half of the 6%. And the other thing that might be beneficial to help alleviate of this business leaving, and knock on wood, hopefully they don't, but is to maybe adjust it where that the over 50,000 gallon volume charge is not increased as much as you guys have shown it to be.
Okay, is that it then?
Yeah, and I just I appreciate your guys' work on this. Uh, it's just kind of hard to determine. They need the money, they need the extra revenues to pay the projected loans and the expenses, but somehow we have to, I guess, in essence, bare minimum raise the rates to just cover their expenses.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And I'm sure you've never heard that before.
Oh no, never. Well, I appreciate the comments. I guess I was just curious, just for my own information, I'm sure everyone else knows this, but what's the name of the, is it the creamery that you were talking about?
It's Zimmerman Cheese Factory,
Mm-hmm.
and they are probably closer to 70 or 80% of our income with the fire
Mm-hmm.
protection and the millions of gallons they use.
Uh-huh. And
We
has the
really can't
utility,
lose them, or nobody would be able to live here.
mm-hmm. Has the utility contacted Zimmerman about the rates? Any
Yes, I
information?
sent them an email and I sent him the whole document.
Okay.
Um, and they also had sent a letter when we were working on our project that they understood the need for another well, because if we don't have that, that would stop their daily operations if something would happen. So we have to have the two wells.
Okay. But they haven't commented on the rate proposal.
Not to me. So
Okay. All right. That's interesting. That's good to know. Okay. So I think at this point, looks like we can turn over to commission staff. I don't know if I don't have anyone else connected with the utility. So and so let's have staff verify its documents. So we'll start with revenue requirement. Troy Gaza will swear you in. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
And can you confirm that the revenue requirement exhibit is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Any comments you have?
I might not have any comments at this time.
Okay. And we'll then verify the cost service study and rate design with Eric Lindgren. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
Any comment? I'm sorry. Can you confirm that the cost service study and rate design exhibit is complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
Yes, it is.
And any comments?
Not at this time.
Okay. All right. So so that's what we needed to provide today. Opportunity for verifying these documents and getting any comments. At this point, it doesn't look like we have any members of the public connected, but we can just remind everyone. Oh, where did that go? There it is. Just remind everyone about the comment period.
Excuse me,
Who's that? Sorry.
this is Travis.
Okay, Travis.
You didn't go through my exhibits.
Oh, we missed you. Okay. I'm glad you chimed in there. Okay. So, so it's exhibits numbers 2 through 13. We do have to verify those. So let's have you do that now. Do you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth?
I do.
All right. Give us your name and title, please.
Travis Signer, Senior Staff Accountant, Johnson Block and Company.
Okay. So, can you see the screen share?
Yes,
So for the utility exhibits 2 through 13, are you familiar with those?
yes,
Are they complete and correct to the best of your knowledge?
yes.
And did you have any comments?
No, sir.
Okay. All right, great. So that's all we needed to do today. Sure, we check all the boxes here. So let's just review that we can accept public comments until April 21st, according to our notice of hearing. So if the Zimmerman Creamery wish to give us some of their direct information about their opinion here, we can accept it in writing by then. So encourage to hear from them if possible. But otherwise, that's all we need to do for the hearing, so I appreciate everyone's attendance. If there's nothing else, we can adjourn. All right. Thanks very much. Take care. We're adjourned.
Thank you.
All right.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.